Hey guys, welcome back. I just woke up. It was quite cold today. I had to snug into wearing this cardigan and wear some socks. It's going to be a busy day for me. I have to stop by work quickly to capture some footage for some clients, and I'll be attending a wellness event today. I'll probably vlog that as well. For now, I need to get out of this bed. The weather has been so tempting lately, like you don't even want to get out of your comfort zone, which is your bed. Yeah. For now, I need to still work. I need coffee. Anyways, see you pretty soon. Okay?
In an Uber to the airport, Terminal 3. A couple carry-on bags, please don't weigh these. Well, what do? A little do-re, meet me and my brother. We flying down for the weekend. We got an Airbnb by the beach. Have you been there? Come hit a party if you speak French. Well, are we gonna be friends? So pilot, of course, we're looking to recruit for the party crew. The name's JJ, co-star is Bruce. Then we love a little green like Molly do. Yeah, got a feeling it's season. You and me can jump in, see you in the deep end. But I guess it really depends if you're down for the weekend.
Right there. Write your name down for the raffle, which we're going to have in the course of the event. Okay. And then you might win R&R luxury products, then SO aesthetic products, makeup items, and then Aya candles. Please could you kindly scan it up? Please are you able to sign the waiver online? Thank you.
You feel my rhythm inside of you. Oh, I never knew. Made me feel brand new. Well then, hello, I'll introduce myself. The name BC Hill, name is Hot Ladies Milk.
Hey Jessica.
Hi.
Goldie.
Hello.
Hey, and you just give birth to?
Yes, I give birth.
I'm not seeing you since then.
She's showing us still. She's giving us pressure.
Good to see you.
This is a small Valerie. I'm the CEO of R&R Luxury, and this event is called Wellness Day with R&R and Friends. Our friends are the Savannah, which is this beautiful venue. They will have a nice wellness chat with Thrive Ghana. They are here, Dr. Carol. We know that the past 2 years have been very taxing on our mental wellness, so we wanted to make sure that we include that in there. She's amazing and she knows so much and she's so caring. So we want to have a free and open space so people can just be themselves and talk and, let it all out if we want to, that is. RF Active. RF lady behind RF Active, here she is. Come here, you. Racy, how old are you? 22 years old. And she has started this fitness wear and active brand. Come up, She's started this fitness wear active brand. She's just finished HSC University, and so unfortunately the max we were planning on having 50 people, but the tickets we sold more than 50. So Racy she only had 50 available. Hence why we've got some extras from our other friends in the catalogue who have provided some mats for us as well. But Racy, I'm wearing her active wear. She's wearing the top. Some of the ladies are in the clothes. Please do. Patronize her. She is 22 years old and she's going to be the next big thing in activewear. And so I wanted to introduce you to her. So she is one of our key partners for today. So have I missed anyone? Okay. Savannah, Villa Grace, RF Active, Yoga Studio, Accra, Pilates of our hero products. And Polish, the nail studio, are giving everybody 50 CDs off their next treatment as well, which you'll find in your bag, which is super cool. And we've got some other goodies over the course of the day. So put in your best. because we're going to be picking some people to get some nice gifts as well. So thank you for joining us. I'm Valerie from R&R, and I'm looking forward to working out with you.
Inhale, allow the rib cage to expand. You don't want to puff the belly out, okay? Allow the rib cage to expand laterally, and exhale, draw it in, okay? Gonna nod the chin towards the chest, bend your knees, micro bend, and roll down. You want your head to be heavy as you roll down. Good. Inhale and exhale, rounding the spine again as you come up. Drawing those fingertips up towards the ceiling, getting that good straight, externally rotating the palms and circling around. Good. You're going to come on. So you'll stay in that melting position with the spine down, okay? Then you're going to lift the hips up towards the exhale. I want you to articulate. You're going to start descending. Start descending from the mid-back all the way down. Each bone, each vertebra comes down. It has its time, it has its place. Comes down. Inhale at the top. Pressing into those feet, those arms. And exhale. Gently relax into your front knee. Place your left arm down. And let's open our twist to the right side. Look at your right thumb. Hold down for 3. Hold for 2. And 1. Gently place your right arm down. Come into a half split again. Really beautiful. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Really nice. And then let's come back into up more. Come into a shower pose. So let's forward. Your hands and knees. Let's do it by bring your hands up above your head. Allow your hands. Nice Caesars. Beautiful. Now relax your head and switch legs. Really nice. If you do the same thing on the left side, do the same thing on the right. Lift your head, bringing your forehead towards your knee. Beautiful Caesars, everyone. And gently release. Have your knees into your chest. See if you can space out your knee, bringing each knee towards each armpit. So right knee pointing towards your right armpit. Left knee pointing towards your left armpit. Breathe here for 5. Point your foot. For 4, for 3, 2, and 1. Now, see if you can grab your. And I want you to think about one thing you learned about yourself today. What did you learn about yourself today with this beautiful wellness event? What came up for you? And gently come up into a seated position. Bringing your hands to your heart center, closing your eyes, thanking yourself for taking your practice, thanking yourself for being healthy, sweet, and thanking yourself for showing up. Thank you all. Namaste. When we talk about body, mind, soul, soul is referred to as maybe a god or something, but soul is the soul you have. I'd say in every religion there's what you can take and what you will not take. The practice of yoga comes from India, obviously everyone knows that, and the people practice Buddhism, but the practice has nothing to do with their religion, although as part of their religion they practice yoga. And the reason they practice yoga is because of this. Most of the time we have fear, and the fear is what? Fear of the unknown, right? But what is fear? Fear is an illusion. It's something we create in our mind. And we come from a part of the world where a lot of fear is instilled in us since we are little. We don't like to explore and learn things for ourselves, right? I would say yoga is anything but yoga is very good. It's helped difference between yoga and Pilates. As you saw in yoga, we started off with a little meditation, which we didn't really do. We started with breath work. Yoga eases you into the poses as compared to Pilates. It goes strong. So that's the difference between yoga and Pilates. So if you are looking for something very strong and just going into it, then I'll say Pilates. But if you're still looking for something strong, but you want to gently immerse yourself into it, then I'll say yoga. But both combination is amazing. So I do yoga and I do Pilates with her as well.
Like Darling said, you're working the abs straight away. That's why the results are quite striking and quick. So it's a lot about pelvic floor exercises, tightening everything up internally as well as what you see physically on the outside.
Happy birthday to you. She's traveling in a couple of days and she still made it here today. So Sasha, thank you. Happy birthday. God bless you. Many more years in health and wealth and good grace. Rodia Noel. Hey. Aisha Ayensu.
Hi, we meet here.
Darling.
It's better